What time do you leave?
Car's picking me up at 4.
Why are you not going to sleep? What are you looking at?
Just checking some stuff.
So, what does this friend of your uncle's do?
He's a politician. He made his money in shipping.
That's pretty broad.
My uncle's known him all his life.
That's why I'm asking.
My fund's in trouble, Rebecca. I don't have much choice.
There's other people you can go to.
You don't think I've tried? I'm nervous about this too. I checked the guy out. So far, everything seems legitimate.
Okay.
You have to trust me. I'm desperate, but I'm not that desperate. The minute I sense anything's off...
I do trust you.
He's my uncle. He's closer to me than my father. He's just trying to help.